So today I'm here to show you how you can use the internal Davinci Resolve materials that I discovered recently. So I didn't know that this exists inside of Davinci Resolve Fusion page. So today I'm here to show you how you can use those materials inside of the Fusion page. So let's jump into the computer and let me show you how easy it is and how amazing the result is. So let's go. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve in the edit page. As you could see, I already have here a clip that I created. It is a fusion composition of this R8 car. And as you can see, it's not that realistic because you don't have the reflections, all of that. So let's turn it a little bit more realistic with built-in materials in Davinci Resolve. So let's go to the fusion composition over here that I already have. It's the same one, as you can see. So let's add those materials. So to find them, it's very easy. You come here to the effects, come here to the templates where it says templates, select the templates, you select fusion, and then you look for shaders. And we have all of these materials that you can use. So let's use the car paint because this is a car. We have to use the car paint. I want to use the carbon fiber also over here, and I want to use the chrome. So I'm going to use these three. There are a lot of them. Of course, you can wood, plywood, metal, grid, marble, all of that. But now just let me show you how you can use this. So first, let me arrange this because they come a little bit spread around. Let's put the chrome. Where is it? It is somewhere around here. It's over here. I want the body paint of the car to be somewhere body color here, and I want to arrange also here this will come over here, this one over here, and this one over here, and I want it somewhere around, let's see, trim over here. Okay, so let's see the difference. So let me let me put this with only one viewer and zoom in. So let's see the difference when you use here the car paint. So let's, as you can see here, the color, the body color is this one, the red one, and let's connect here the color paint from here to here. And look, immediately you will see the difference. Look, without and with. Now you can come here to the car paint. You can adjust the color. Look, you can come here and do something different and adjust everything and the base color. So come here to the color and change it over here. The base structure, also the color, the noise, everything. You can adjust everything here, the reflections. This is amazing because the reflection will give you the exact situation from where you are. For example, let's see, I'm somewhere around here 41, something like this, and here it's around 8. So this is more or less in here in Portugal. I think it's -8, something like this. It doesn't have -8. I don't know why, but okay. So let's give it something like this, and look, let's put this in a position like this one. Look to the time. It's changing. Look, the aspect of the reflections, all of that. So you can use that, or you can use, look to the latitude and longitude, and it will affect everything, the binding, everything. You can adjust all the parameters in here. So this is one. Let me group this and let me put it in here. Let's change the name to paint. Look to the chrome. So the chrome is for the symbol here of the car. Let me put it somewhere around here. Let's zoom this. So without, and let's connect here. Look to the difference. So you can come here to the chrome and give it the color that you want. For example, a little bit more gray. Or if you want to give a darker, so we can look to the difference, or you can give it some color, look, some blue chrome, red, something like that. I like to give it more a natural chrome. So immediately you see the difference. And here in the tail, it's doing the same over here. Look, without and with. Now let's come here to the carbon fiber. And let's connect here the carbon fiber. Let's put the car thing, because I'm gonna adjust this over here. Look, without and the trim, and now with the carbon fiber. And look to the difference. We can come here to the carbon fiber. Look, it has these marks over here. So is the dirt. You can come here and reduce the dirt, increase the dirt. So you can adjust the coating, everything. Look, you can change it to look to the different microstructure, the fiber illumination. And the fiber layer you can adjust more or less. Look, it will change the color of the carbon fiber. You can change it over here. So you have multiple ways of adjusting everything and add a multiple amazing materials to your 3D object. So as you can see, the car is more realistic. So let's come here and add the new one, and let's see the difference. We have to wait because this will be more hard now for your computer, because it has those materials that are more, that need look for the difference right now. And if I come here, let me wait and look for the difference between this image and this. Look, I think here is much more realistic now than, and a lot of better quality than over here. So as you can see, these amazing materials that are already built into Davinci are amazing, and I highly recommend that you use them. So as you could see, it's very easy, and it's built in Davinci Resolve, and it gives a different look to your 3D objects. So I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I launch a video. Until then, bye!